You can now speed up and slow down video clips directly in Instagram Reels, and this is a game changer, especially if you're working with time lapses. What I love most about this is that you used to have to use a third-party app to speed and slow down your clips and then add it to Instagram, but now you can do it all directly in Instagram, and that's amazing. So let's go into Instagram, and we're gonna go to plus, and we're gonna go to make a new reel and start a new video. I did a time lapse today of me getting ready, and let's say I want to speed this up even more. So I select the clip, and then here on the side, I can see speed. And what it does is allows me to slow it down. Going 0.3, 0.5 is slowing it down, or I can speed it up by making it faster. So you can see it's like super fast now. And so I can import this, so now I can import it the faster. But you have actually more control than just this. What you can do is you can slow down and speed up particular parts of the video as well. So say if I go in here, this beginning part, because I was like dancing here, but you can't really see it because it's sped up so fast. So let's say this beginning part, I want to slow it down. So I'm going to click on the clip and I'm going to, it's not going to let me. Because it's so short that I want to split it up. So I'm going to go until I can see that split button, press split, and it's going to make that beginning part into a separate video. So now I can click on this video and then I can go to speed and I can change the speed of this. So you can see this is going to be a little bit slower. This is way too slow. Let's make this, let's say about, so 1 and high is going to make it faster, and 0 and lower is going to make it slower. So let's make it to 1 so it's not sped up. So then you can see more detail in that beginning part. So you can adjust the entire clip, but then you can also adjust little parts of the clip. So let's just add another clip. I'm just gonna add this clip where I'm just doing a demo. And so I have this clip, and let's speed up the hand part, but let's get rid of when I grab the watch, so I can split that. And then this demo part, let's slow that down. So I'm gonna put another split there. I'm gonna get rid of that middle part that I don't want. And then, so for this, if we want to change the speed, we can, so 1 is regular speed. We can go up to 10, so we can actually make it faster here than we can when we put it in originally, because you can only go 4 times faster in that. And then we speed that up, and then let's make this slow down, so we can make it slower. So you can see what that's going to look like. So there's that part. This next part is going to be super fast because it's 10 fast. You can hear that noise too. And there you go. That's how you speed up and slow down clips in Instagram Reels now. Are you an entrepreneur ready to take your business to the next level? But when it comes to Reels, you don't know how you can use them to grow your business? Well, I've created the Reels Blueprint, which is going to guide you through the gear and the strategy behind using Reels to grow your business. Download my free Reels Blueprint now. And that's a wrap. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you smash that like button, or better yet, subscribe. If you want to dive deeper, I have an amazing freebie that's going to transform your business. So download that now. And remember, messy action is always better than no action. Till next time, peace.